Yeah, the waterfall's a good one. We've definitely been to Happy Forest Shelter before. I think we've made it all the way to the guard station and the lake trail.
Yeah.
But never to Elk Lake, I don't think.
No.
Someday when we're ambitious.
Yep.
All right, let's see how far we can get. The waterfall would be cool.
Yes, that waterfall was really. Emily's way more fun than I am.
Mushrooms!
Yeah, mushrooms, right? Growing on the tree.
Say fungi. The fungus among us.
So we found hoof prints.
Yeah.
They're pretty big. These ones are the biggest.
Yeah, pretty big. I wonder what made those.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't run into that guy.
Yeah. They look like they might be from a couple days ago.
Yeah.
So.
All right. Continuing on. Yeah.
Hi. Uh-huh. So beautiful.
Dad, can I have Taylor's toy?
Uh-huh. Oh, Taylor. There's your toy. Moss everywhere. All right, so we're here.
I'm feeding baby.
Baby's feeding. There's this rotten stump. I said, let's take a picture, and all of a sudden the girls were way up there.
We thought maybe they'd stand at the base, but no.
All right. This is a very big tree that...
You gotta turn, maybe go back facing it.
Or do Emily's way. Oh, there you go. There you go, Zoe. Yep, there you go.
Yeah, all of a sudden they ran up the top.
Pretty cool. That's going to be a Christmas card picture.
And one's down. Test with your foot before you put all your weight on it.
One to go.
And the other one's down.
Oh.
Zero to go.
You want the other side? Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, we're getting closer to the river. That's where we want to be, but we want to work up a sweat first. All right, we're at the river. And the girls crossed over to go search for crystals. I don't want any big rocks though. Look at that river. It's much faster here than by us. Nice. Good. There's Mama having a snack over there with baby. Look how nice it is. Ooh. Theoretically, if you follow this river all the way down, you get to our campsite. Ooh. It sounded like thunder. Hear the thunder? I think it was thunder. Taylor, what are you doing? What are you doing to your sister? You're kind of matching. You got matching PJs? Same color? Orange? What are you doing to your sister? Say M. M. M? M. Yeah, M. What's the other word you like to say?
Achoo.
You-
Achoo.
You say it?
Achoo.
Say-
Achoo. Achoo. Achoo.
Achoo! 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 We're just chilling by the campfire. Sneezing. Achoo! Achoo! What are you doing, Mr. Taylor? DJ. DJ. DJ.
I'm going to eat your brains out. Oh, you're gonna kiss my cheeks out.
Mmm. 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 Achoo!
Achoo, Taylor. Achoo. Achoo. Achoo.
It's kind of funny, but you kind of... Oh, there you go.
There's some good ambers.
Mm-hmm.
We're roasting some good old marshmallows. What? Achoo!
You all done? You all done?
Ready, set,
Are you all
go.
done?
Ready, set, go.
He's got the tree in his face.
You're grabbing onto me, Taylor. I can't do it.
You all done, Taylor? All done? All done? You see the smoke? The smoke goes in the air. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye, Taylor. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Oh, yeah, there you go. Good job. Bye-bye. That's the smoke, yeah. Ooh.